Direct the flow of information by deleting or restoring announcements. This tutorial shows how to delete and restore announcements. To begin, from Announcements, click on an Announcements context menu. To edit the item, view the item, dismiss it from Announcements, or delete it. Click elsewhere on the page to close the menu. You can also delete multiple announcements at once. To do so, select all of the items you want to delete. Then, click Delete. A confirmation displays. Click Yes to continue. The deleted items no longer appear in the list. You can also restore deleted announcements. To do so, click More Actions and select Restore. Next, select the announcements you want to restore. Then, click Restore. The announcements have been restored. To view them, in the breadcrumb trail, click Announcements. The previously deleted items appear once again in the course's announcement list. Direct the flow of information by deleting or restoring announcements.